Our Ketchikan Rainforest Island adventure offers visitors the opportunity to explore the beauty of the land by boat and hiking. Your adventure begins as you step aboard an inflatable Seahawk boat for a 20-minute cruise along the rocky coastline of Ketchikan. Keep your eyes open for porpoise, sea lions, harbor seals, eagles, and even whales on your way to a remote island. Upon arrival at the pristine island, follow your experienced trail guide into a gorgeous old-growth forest with a secluded beach. The easy 1-mile walk is mostly along the boardwalk, where your guide will share with you the history of the woods and their significance in traditional Alaskan Native culture. Then take a break, sit down, and enjoy an Alaskan-style snack before heading back to town.